In this video, I'm going to be changing the battery for the DKNY digital watch. First, I will remove the watch band. You might not need to do this for your watch. Now, I will remove the gaskets. This watch has a plastic piece to keep the component in place. We can easily remove the plastic piece by gently pulling its sides. We can now access the dead battery. Remove the dead battery. Open a new battery. I picked up this package of batteries from Amazon. Insert the new battery. And put all the pieces back together in reverse order. Click the gasket back into its place. You should hear a couple of clicks. Voila!